Meet the 2026 BMW iX xDrive45, the entry point to BMW's big luxury electric SUV, and yes, it still looks like it came from a design studio on a spaceship. Let's hit the big headline first. Dual-motor, all-wheel drive, 402 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. BMW says 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds, and real-world testing has shown it can be even quicker. Top speed is limited to 124 miles per hour, so it is properly fast, but still calm, like a bodyguard in a tuxedo. Now the battery and range. The xDrive45 uses a battery around 100 kilowatt-hours gross, roughly 95 kilowatt-hours usable depending on how you measure it. The official full charge range is estimated around 290 to 312 miles, mainly depending on wheels and tires. In other words, choose the big fancy wheels and you pay for it with fewer miles, like buying expensive sneakers and then refusing to walk. Charging is strong for road trips. Peak DC fast charging is up to 175 kilowatts, and BMW quotes about 10 to 80% in roughly 34 to 35 minutes on a high-power charger. At home, AC charging is up to 11 kilowatts in many markets, with faster AC options available in some regions. Quick reality check with rivals. The Tesla Model X has an EPA range around 352 miles and does 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, so it is quicker and goes a bit farther, but it also plays in a different price and style universe. The Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV is more comfort-focused, but its EPA range can be around the mid-200s, so the iX often gives you more road trip confidence per charge. Outside, the 2026 refresh brings a sharper front end, updated lighting, and that signature BMW face that also hides a lot of sensors. The kidney grille is not just for looks, it's basically a wearable tech gadget for the whole car.
Inside the 2026 BMW iX xDrive45, BMW leans into modern lounge vibes. The dashboard is dominated by the curved display, a 12.3-inch driver screen flowing into a 14.9-inch central touchscreen. It runs BMW operating system 8.5 with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus built-in navigation and voice control. The steering wheel is that cool hex shape, and the whole cabin design is clean and airy. Comfort and luxury features are a big part of the iX's personality. You can get the Sky Lounge panoramic glass roof with electrochromic shading, so it can go from bright and open to shaded at the push of a button. Materials can be vegan-friendly or leather, and the seat designs are made for long trips. Audio is serious too. A Harman Kardon system is standard in many configurations, and if you want concert mode, there is an available Bowers & Wilkins system with up to 30 speakers. Practicality check, it seats 5. Cargo space is about 35.5 cubic feet behind the second row, expanding to about 77.9 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. The iX is roughly 196 inches long with a long 118-inch wheelbase, which helps rear seat space feel genuinely adult-friendly. Towing is available too, up to 3,500 pounds when properly equipped, so yes, your electric luxury spaceship can still haul your weekend toys. Tech and safety is where it gets spicy. Standard driver assistance includes features like blind spot monitoring and lane departure warning. With the right package, you can get highway assistant with active lane change, allowing hands-free driving at speeds up to 85 miles per hour on compatible highways, as long as you stay attentive. Parking tech can also add surround cameras and automated parking help, which is perfect because the iX is wide and curbs are always plotting against expensive wheels. So, where does the xDrive45 sit in the lineup? Above it, the iX xDrive60 brings more power and even more range, up to the mid-300s in the best configuration. At the top, the M70 is the muscle version with supercar-level shove, but the xDrive45 is the sweet spot if you want the iX design, the luxury cabin, strong real-world range, and a price that is less dramatic. Bottom line, the 2026 BMW iX xDrive45 is fast, quiet, packed with tech, and genuinely usable every day.
It is the kind of EV that can do school runs, business meetings, and road trips without changing its personality. It just glides, and it does it with style.